Construction work worth 72 billion Mongolian turks is underway in Dundgovi province. Notably, within the framework of an agreement signed with the government of the Republic of Korea, Mongolia has decided to build thermal power plant with a total capacity of 255 kilocalories hour and a total length of 67 kilometers in the center of 10 provinces.
One of these plants is currently being built in Dundgovi province. This will provide the people of the province with a secure supply of heating and hot water throughout the year. The construction of the thermal power plant in Mandalkov, Dundgovi province is currently ongoing and on schedule.
Two furnaces with a total capacity of 20 kilocalories hour will be commissioned for Dundgovi province. This will allow the station to provide the citizens of Dundgovi province with combined heat and hot water for use throughout the year.
I believe that highlighting Dundgovi province as one of the 10 provinces where the thermal power plant will be built will yield positive results in the future. During the visit to construction site, we observed that the construction had already been started. A sport complex with a swimming pool is one of the major developments in Dundgovi province. In addition, the design work for highways between Arveher, Mandalkov and Chur has been completed, and road construction is scheduled to begin next year.